This video is going to cover using the blog. Pretty easy. This should be pretty quick. Let's go to some of our test posts. And let's go ahead and check out Charlie's blog test, which will be the first one on the front end right here. Okay, obviously here's the text. You should be quite familiar with this. Here's the text that you paste in for your article. It's going to use the More button feature, which is, if you notice, there's more text coming outside this picture than there's this one, and then there's only, on this test picture, the text stops here, and then this one stops here. So what you want to do is insert the More button where you want it to start. Okay, so, or excuse me, stop. So on Charlie's test, actually, I would say I want to have the text cut off from this part right here down. So let me look for this little bit of text. If I can find it, I probably won't be able to. Let's see. So here's the More button that we originally have. I'm going to get rid of that, and I'm going to go ahead and add it right here. I'm in HTML mode, so the More button will be here. If you're in visual mode, the More button is right here. I prefer HTML mode. That's just me, though. Okay, so let's see if I can figure out where the spot is. I already forgot. Let me go ahead and put it right here. More. Let me update. Let's refresh this. Oh, missing one word right there. That little hanging word, that little extra word. So if I delete this and then put it right here, more. And there we go. So you're in control of where the text stops. That's entirely up to you. Now, the featured image, the main image that we get right here, that you upload through the featured image section. So basically, you just click the add featured image, you search for it, whether it's on your computer or already in your media library, you insert it, it's going to auto crop it for you. Just make sure that the picture is big enough to fit into there. Over here we have categories. Okay. We'll have couples treatment, some other things that I've generically made up. You obviously can come in there and delete it. And what I want to point out is if we look at the front section, the home page, excuse me, we have these three, I guess, articles, featured articles on the home page. Okay, these blog posts are showing the most three recent. Okay, so right now, Charlie's blog test is the most recent. If we add another one, this one is going to come off, and then these two will move down, and then the most recent you add is going to be right here. So it's always going to show the most recent three in the order that they're posted. Okay, so that's pretty simple and easy to understand. That's really about it for your blog post. I'm not sure what else to go over. I'm sure since you already blog, you understand publishing and updating and adding your content and that kind of a thing. Feel free to ask any other questions if I may have missed something.